How to use Perplexity AI Deep Research. First, open the Perplexity app and sign into your account if not. Next, tap the Ask Anything search box on the home screen. Now, enter the topic you want to research. For example, you could type, "Compare the best electric cars in 2026," or "Explain the causes of climate change with reliable sources." Before sending your question, tap the Focus or Mode option if it's available in your app. Then select Deep Research. If you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated and check whether the feature is available for your account, as it may depend on your plan or rollout. After selecting Deep Research, tap the Send button. Perplexity will search across multiple reliable sources, analyze the information, and generate a detailed report with citations and links to the original sources. Once the research is complete, scroll through the report, open the cited sources for more details, and ask follow-up questions to explore the topic further. That's it. You've successfully used Perplexity AI Deep Research on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Android tips, and easy tech guides.